morning. Ahoy mateys! Today is a Wednesday in my week, which according to my timetable means that I have 3 lectures in the morning, a supervision after that, and I have a few hours in between where I usually just go sit in the library and do some work, revise lectures, make notes, etc. So I thought I'd take you on a day along with me. How my second year course is structured is that every alternate day I have all 3 of my lectures back to back. So the mornings tend to be quite intense. But on the bright side, I don't have any 9 a.m. So my earliest is at 10 a.m. which I'm going to be leaving for soon, and the first one I have is an earth sciences lecture. Also, it is Deepavali today, which is a very important festival in my culture, and just to get into the festivities, I thought I'd dress up a bit of like Indian fusion today. So yeah, it's been a bright morning and I'm ready to take on the day. Outfit of the day. So I'm at Girton College, which means that I'm relatively further from the city center than other colleges. So my cycle into town every morning takes me about 15 minutes, which means for 10 a.m. lecture, I leave around 9:40-ish. Today I'm a bit early, so I'm taking you along, so I want to go a little more leisurely. For this year, we have almost everything in person for my course, which has been a stark contrast to last year where we pretty much had everything online. And initially, I used to be really tired going into town every single day and coming back, and just all of the in-person stuff used to be really exhausting. But now I've really gotten used to it and I really love it, so let's see how it goes. Site right now. We are done with the earth lecture. Where are we going, guys?
We're trying not to get run over by
And which problems?
Yeah, we're going to the zoology department. Me and Lucy are going to sit in the World Cafe, and Shivani has a lecture.
Yeah, Anna and Lucy have 9 a.m. earth lectures, but I have 10 a.m., which means I have another lecture now. They have a 1-hour break.
Yeah.
Whee! Yeah. And Nana usually eats her lunch then, but I don't know what she's gonna do now.
I just get so hungry all the time.
What a mood!
I might do some ESP.
What a star student Lucy is!
I probably will just attempt to check my email.
I'm actually so lucky that all of my departments are like literally right opposite each other. So I just have to cross the road and then my next lecture. We are done with lectures for the day. Anna and I were nearly... Oh yeah, okay. And I have a supervision.
Awesome.
Your practical's at 2?
Yeah.
My supervision's at 4 or 3. I don't know, I have a few hours to kill basically. Anna and I almost fell asleep in that lecture, but
yeah,
it's done and it's lunchtime for me and rest time for Anna. Back to the Earth department and we are both heading to the Earth library now. And now I've come to say hi to my favorite person. Hi, Sarah! Who's the Earth Sciences librarian. We're just chilling on these bean bags. Have fun! I'm back to New Museum site now with my 2 supervision partners.
we're heading for Super now.
Yep.
For an hour.
Yay!
Then you see how bad we do our essays.
Yes!
They were difficult. Yeah, challenging.
Yay! Back to Downing side and my bike is there and I'm done for the day. I'm so tired. I am meeting a friend for coffee right now and yeah, I might just spend some time with her at the cafe and get some chai, get my tea in and then cycle back. It's actually getting so dark and so cold and it's like literally 4 p.m. right now. It's crazy, but I'm excited to be done for the day. Just have to go back and do some work, but no more contact hours. I always do the mistake of leaving my hat in my basket, and it's like raining almost every day now, and it always gets wet. I'm here with my lovely friend from Sydney Sussex College. My friend went through there. I'm currently in the same place in the center of town to pick up some chocolates because it's week 5 tomorrow, and there's a thing called week 5 blues in Cambridge, which is like basically when everyone kind of loses it and like everyone's losing a bit of motivation and like needs a bit of extra just love and support. So like as college parents, I want to just give all of this to my kids. So me and my wives are kind of giving these chocolates, like putting it in the pigeonholes of our kids just to cheer them up, give them a little extra surprises on like a tough week. It's always so fun coming to the main Sainsbury's in town because I always bump into someone I know and I just stand and talk to them for a while. But that's what happened today as well, but it's really nice. To check my pigeonhole for any posts that I might have, but today it's empty. Yay! We're opening advent calendars now. Thingy, what do you have today?
Lemons in the advent.
Show us your tea advent calendar. Nicole has a fancy lint one. Emily hasn't bought hers yet. Wait, whose chocolate is that?
It's Tom's.
Oh, where is mine today? Oh, number 3.
Oh, can you take the baby with the one eye off the please?
These medics.
Not one with you chocolate.
It's not even that bad.
No.
I think so, yeah.
Well. I feel like this is pretty low key. We just change it.
Yeah, because we're definitely having a party with it.
Pardon?
Walking in the winter world.
So I just kind of had a chill dinner, an evening with my household, cooked and like meal prepped for tomorrow lunch. So that's sorted. Now I'm just gonna sit and do a bit of work and then shower and then sleep time. Reunited with my bestie wifey. Laddus. Her dad came to drop all of this off for Deepavali yesterday, and we just spent like 1 hour in the car with him. The highlight of my day.
And then we took some laundry.
Oh yeah, this is all of Nimi's laundry. What is this, like 3 weeks worth?
No, 2.
So one of my closest friends in college, her dad drove down today to give us some Diwali sweets and snacks, and I kind of spent like the past hour with her and her dad. It was really nice. We just sat in his car and just spoke for a bit. Yeah, it was really wholesome. Now I'm going back up to my room. I'm gonna shower, maybe do like revise this morning's earth lecture, and just kind of clean my room and maybe call it a day, because tomorrow's a really long day for me and kind of wasn't getting great sleep the past 2 nights, so I feel like I need to sleep well tonight. Okay, it's nearly 15 past midnight. I cleaned up my entire room. I had like lots of pending work to do, like fold up my clothes from my clothes stand, hoover my room, just clean up my room. I wanted to keep it neat and clean because tomorrow is Diwali, and yeah, I just want to wake up to a nice clean and fresh room. So I was doing all of that, just listening to like some Indian bhajans and like songs in the background. And then I just finished preparing all of these chocolate packets and like writing notes on all of them for like people I care about and all of my college kids and like kids from societies. So like Cambridge has a system where like they assign parents to like freshers who are the kids. So I have like Singapore society kids, college kids, international society kids, and yeah, I thought it'd be really sweet to just like send this to their college pigeonholes and hopefully cheer them up during week 5 blues. It's kind of like a custom for like parents to send their kids something sweet on during week 5, so bear all of that so I can just drop that off at the Porters tomorrow morning. Anyway, I'm ready for bed now. It's been a very wholesome evening, quite restful. I actually didn't end up doing much work, which is okay. But yeah, this is the end of week 4. Tomorrow, week 5 officially starts, and Cambridge terms are only 8 weeks, which means that we're already more than halfway through first term, which blows my mind. But yeah, it's been crazy with everything going back to in-person, and I hope that you got a little glimpse of how it is now post-COVID but back to in-person. It's been really new for us to adjust to because yeah, we're the second year, so that means after our first year we had online. But it's been an interesting experience, and overall I'm really glad. I do feel like this Michaelmas term is so much in a way better than last Michaelmas term, especially during like this festive season and actually like socializing. It feels much less depressing and like solitary than last Michaelmas. So I'm really glad that I have like a really nice household and really nice friends and lecturers, and yeah, they just kind of brighten my day every day. So this is kind of how a typical day in my life is. Obviously like this lecture schedules vary and the supervision schedules vary, but as I said, I didn't do as much work as I intended to today, and sometimes at the end of the day I just have to kind of forgive myself and move on because it's festive season for me now, and I have been working hard the past week and I will have time over the weekend to catch up. So I do need to catch up, but there's no point beating myself over that. But yeah, today was quite an eventful day. I feel very content in my heart. I feel like today was a really wholesome day, and yeah, I just feel like I'm spreading the joy of my culture. It was so nice talking to you throughout the entire day today. It really felt like you guys were just by my side, and I really hope you enjoyed or like learned something from this video about like how a day in my life is. Yeah, that's kind of it. I feel like I don't really know how to do these endings. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and have a lovely day, have a lovely month, and yeah, have a good festive season in case you're celebrating Deepavali or Christmas or whatever exciting is coming your way. I will see you very soon. Take care and bye.